Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best nonstick sauté pans that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a beginner in the kitchen or a seasoned home chef, a good sauté pan can make all the difference in your cooking experience. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started. Starting off at number 5, we have the Saute nonstick skillet with a 10-inch diameter and a 3.5 quart capacity. This pan features a Swiss ILAG nonstick granite coating, which is both PFOA-free and designed to promote healthier cooking by allowing you to use less oil. Its die-cast aluminum core ensures quick and even heating, while the high magnetic conductive stainless steel base makes it compatible with all stovetops, including induction. The addition of a handy pour spout and a stay-cool wood-grain Bakelite handle adds convenience and safety to your cooking experience. The design is sleek with its classic granite finish, and it comes with a tempered glass lid that helps you monitor your cooking without lifting the lid. However, this pan is not oven-safe, which might be a drawback for those looking for a versatile option. In terms of performance, it excels at everyday tasks like sautéing, stir-frying, and shallow frying. Cleanup is simple thanks to its non-stick surface, and while it's technically dishwasher safe, hand washing is recommended to preserve the non-stick coating. The Saute skillet is an excellent option for those looking for an affordable, multi-purpose pan that's easy to use and clean. However, its lack of oven compatibility and lower maximum heat resistance, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, keep it at number 5 on our list. It's great for small households, or anyone looking for a lightweight yet sturdy pan for daily use. Coming in at number 4 is the Tramontina Professional 10-inch nonstick frying pan. This budget-friendly option is designed to meet the standards of a professional kitchen while being perfect for home use. Made from heavy-gauge aluminum, it delivers quick and even heat distribution, ensuring consistent cooking results. Its reinforced nonstick coating provides superior food release and easy cleanup, making it a dependable option for everything from frying eggs to preparing stir-fries. The pan features a sturdy stainless steel handle with a removable silicone sleeve, which allows for oven use up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It's also dishwasher safe, adding convenience for busy cooks. While the Tramontina pan is compatible with gas, electric, and ceramic glass cooktops, it's not suitable for induction stoves, which might be a limitation for some users. Weighing just over 2 pounds, it's lightweight yet durable, and the NSF certification ensures it meets high-quality standards. At just $34.95, the Tramontina pan offers excellent value for money. It's a great choice for anyone on a budget who still wants a reliable, professional-grade pan for everyday cooking. However, its slightly smaller size and lack of induction compatibility keep it from climbing higher on our list. At number 3, we have the Tefal Ultimate Hard Anodized Nonstick Fry Pan with Lid. This 12-inch pan is built for durability, with a hard anodized aluminum construction and a titanium-reinforced nonstick coating that ensures smooth food release and easy cleanup. The pan also features Tefal's signature thermospot technology, which indicates when the pan is perfectly preheated, helping you achieve optimal cooking results every time. With a maximum oven-safe temperature of 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 350 degrees Fahrenheit for the lid, this pan offers versatility for stovetop and oven use. The riveted silicone handles provide a secure, comfortable grip, and the deep design makes it suitable for a wide range of cooking methods, from frying to simmering. However, it's worth noting that the pan is not induction compatible, which could be a drawback for some users. Priced at $38.99, the Tefal pan provides excellent features for its cost, including a limited lifetime warranty. Its combination of user-friendly design, durable construction, and reliable performance makes it a fantastic mid-range option for home cooks. While it doesn't quite match the premium feel of higher-ranked pans, it's a solid choice for those seeking versatility and ease of use. Taking the runner-up spot at number 2 is the Saute nonstick frying pan skillet with lid. This 12-inch, 5-quart pan is perfect for large meals and family-sized portions. It features the same Swiss iLag nonstick coating as its smaller counterpart, ensuring a safe, PFOA and PFOS-free cooking surface. Its deep design and helper handle make it ideal for sautéing, simmering, and even braising. While the heavy-duty cast aluminum construction ensures fast and even heating. The pan includes a tempered glass lid, which allows you to monitor your cooking while minimizing splatters. Its induction-compatible base makes it suitable for all stovetops, and the heat-resistant Bakelite handle stays cool during use for added safety. However, the maximum temperature is slightly lower than some competitors at 302 degrees Fahrenheit, which might limit its oven versatility. This Saute pan is a fantastic option for those needing a larger, multi-purpose pan with excellent nonstick performance. It's perfect for home cooks who prioritize healthy cooking and easy cleanup. While its heat resistance and price point might not make it the absolute best, it's a worthy contender for second place on this list. This Saute pan is a fantastic option for those needing a larger, multi-purpose pan with excellent nonstick performance. It's perfect for home cooks who prioritize healthy cooking and easy cleanup. While its heat resistance and price point might not make it the absolute best, it's a worthy contender for second place on this list. The essential elements and equilibrium PFOA provide perfect for making any type of meal in family-sized portions. Its deep design and helper handle make it ideal for sautéing, simmering, and braising. Its deep design and helper handle. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1, we have the Calphalon hard anodized non-stick 5-quart sauté pan with lid. This premium pan is a standout in both design and performance. Its hard anodized aluminum construction ensures durability and even heat distribution, while the triple-layer nonstick coating provides exceptional food release and easy cleanup. The pan is oven-safe up to 450 Fahrenheit, making it a versatile choice for stovetop to oven cooking. The Calphalon pan features long stainless steel handles that stay cool during stovetop use, and the tempered glass lid allows you to monitor your cooking without lifting the lid. It's also dishwasher safe, which is a bonus for busy households. With a capacity of nearly 5 quarts, this pan is perfect for everything from searing meats to simmering sauces. Priced at $84.99, the Calphalon pan is the most expensive option on our list. But its superior build quality, excellent performance, and versatility make it worth the investment. It's perfect for experienced home cooks and anyone looking for a high-quality, long-lasting sauté pan. If you're serious about cooking, this is the pan for you. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments which saute pan you're thinking of getting, or if you have any questions about the products we reviewed. I'll see you in the next video.